mixed up. Wait a second though. We need the magic tool. This is a giant whisk. Woohoo! Check this out. Alrighty, it's adding some color. Okay, let's put this right over here, and then we can bring this up and grab this pitcher. Remember from earlier? We need to scoop some out. Oh, I am so excited. Pour some in. Let's grab another scoop. Okay, here we go. Okay, whoa! All right, I think that's plenty. So let's give it a shake. Okay, yes, these are gonna be so yummy. And let's take these sticks. Wow, that's a lot of popsicle sticks. Put them right in there. Oh, perfect. Okay, now we need to bring it to the cooling station. Here we go. Set it down. Woo, we did it! All right, now, remember what we had to do earlier? It's gonna take a long time. So, we get a dance while we wait.
Did I just hear a ding?
Oh, you sure did! The popsicles must be ready.
Let's check them out.
Woohoo!
All right.
Whoa, I am so excited. Hey, we gotta drain them?
I can't wait to see the ingredients you used.
Oh, me too. Whoa.
Nice and loose.
Whoa! Look at them! Whoa! My two favorite colors. Yeah! Check them out. Blue and orange. Shall we try them?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
These are delicious, Blippi. You know what? You need to take those outside and go sell some pops.
Awesome. All right, let's go sell some popsicles. Popsicles, popsicles. Who wants a popsicle? I love popsicles, and that was so much fun learning about how to make popsicles with you at Mom and Pop Shop in Costa Mesa, California. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! Well, see you later!